Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like to show you how to make some cabbage steaks. Yes, cabbage steaks. So basically it's you're cutting the cabbage into portions, and then they're sort of like a round shape. I'm going to show you. And then you're going to put some wonderful seasonings that's going to bring those flavors forward. And then we're going to bake it in the oven, and I'm going to top it off with some cheese. Sounds interesting. Let's give it a try, okay? All right. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Share the video to everyone. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And please check out my links below. Maybe it's something that you might be interested in doing. It's helping this channel to succeed. Okay, all right, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I did is I cut out the core, which is the round hard part of the cabbage, which is located right here. I cut that out, okay? And I cut off one piece just to get it started, okay? All right, so let's do it. So I'm just gonna, let me make sure you can see. Yeah, you can see. Great. So I'm just gonna cut straight down, like a really a nice size. I'd say that's about what, a ½ inch. Okay, so we're gonna cut straight down. Okay, let me let you see that. If you have a few pieces that's hanging off, it's okay. Alright, but basically this is what we're looking at. And that's the width on the side. And that's what we're looking like there. Okay? Okay, this is my pan. I oiled the pan with olive oil already. So I'm going to put any pieces that's hanging off, you want to take them off, just take them off, okay? Alright, so I'm just going to put that in. So we have one so far. I don't know how many we'll be able to get. Let's see. Same width. Okay, and this is the second one. Okay, same width. All right. Okay, so I'm going to put that in. So as you can see, my pan is already full with just 2 of them. So I'm only going to cook 2. You can cook as many as you need to cook for your house, okay? But in my house, it's just me, and I'm going to just cook 2. Alright, so let me move this, and then we're going to start with our seasoning. What's going to really bring it to the wonderful flavor. Okay, I'm just going to move this. And the rest of this cabbage I'm going to do something with, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with that, okay, on another video. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is, I think I want to put some oil on here. Some olive oil. So I have my olive oil here. I'm just going to drizzle a few drops here and there. Okay, and let me let you see that. You can see where I put the drops of oil, and then I'm just going to rub that like that. Okay? Alright, and remember I already oiled the bottom of the pan, so it already has oil underneath. Alright, so now let's make our seasonings. I'm going to mix quite a few seasonings together. So I'm going to start with Larry seasoning salt. Seasoning is your choice. How much or little is up to you. For the sake of this conversation, you can see how much Larry seasoning salt I used, okay? Now I'm going to add some ground garlic. I'm going to add some Creole. Creole is spicy, so if you don't like spicy, don't put the Creole. You can do black pepper, okay? Cumin. Chili powder. 1 second. I'm sorry, seasoning opened my throat up. Okay, and I'm going to add some cilantro just to bring out some green color. Excuse me. I'm sorry, had to turn away and sneeze. Okay, so now that we have this all mixed in, we're going to mix it up. So if you don't like the seasonings I use, you can use whatever seasonings you like. So that's what we're looking at, okay? Alright, so remember we put our oil on there. So this should definitely stick without a problem because the oil is on there to lubricate it. I'm just going to put it all around. Okay, now I'm going to rub that in like so. And now I want to put a few more drops of olive oil on there. And then I want to turn it over so I can do the other side. Oh, let me let you see. Okay. So now we're going to turn it over. Because we can't season one side and not the other, right? Okay, same thing. Olive oil. Rub it in. Put your seasoning on. Oh, it's looking pretty anyway. Okay, and a few drops on this side of olive oil. Okay. Now let me just wash my hands. I'm going to cover that and we're going to put that in the oven, okay? 1 second. Okay guys, the only other thing that I want to do is I have some water here. I'm going to put about 4 tablespoons of water. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's just to make a little steam. Okay, so now I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. You see the end product. Okay? Okay. I'll get another piece of foil. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven on 400, and my guess is this is going to cook for, I'm going to say, maybe 20 to 30 minutes. We'll see. I'm going to check and see if it's tender, and when it gets close to being done, like 10 minutes away from being done, I'm going to add the cheese, but I'll let you see that, okay? Alright, and we'll be back. Thank you. Okay, so as you can see, our cabbage is out. Now I'm going to put the cheese on it. And when I push down on it, around the edges and in the middle, it's soft. Where the core is, it's hard. So needless to say, you're not going to eat that core unless that's something that you like to do. And that's okay if that's what you like to do. Okay? Alright, so now we're going to add I have a Mexican blend cheddar cheese. So it's a blend of cheddar. It's cheddar cheese with a blend of other cheeses. That's what the Mexican blend stands for. Okay, so we're just going to put the cheese on there. So you can imagine how the cheese will now give this a whole new taste, right? On the cabbage. Oh, look at this. Wonderful. Oh, I can't wait to try it. Okay guys, the cabbage steaks are out. Take a look at that. How about that, huh? Oh, let me get a thumbnail on that. See if I can get it. Nope, that's up too high, Rachel. Ah, my head is cut off. I'm gonna get it, guys. There we go. How about that, huh? Cabbage steak. Ooh, my, my, my. Well, let's take a taste, okay? I'm gonna put it on a plate. 1 second. Okay guys, I'm gonna take a taste of the cabbage. Okay. It still have some firmness and some crunch to it. That I like. And the seasonings that I put on there really lifted the flavor of the cabbage. And the cheese, of course, is just always the best, right? Okay, so you try yours. You let me know how you like yours. And hey, give it a thumbs up. You know, let's see if we can take this all over the world. Why not? Okay? Alright, until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Love you. Give a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Send me your comments, your feedback. Okay? Okay, talk to you soon.